Boom! Sanibonani sekuleso sikhathi bafethu nani niyazi kodwa chill bafethu. Lo uzonda bamthanda indoda engahleki namadoda ihleka nabafazi ngoba uyazi uthola ubumnandi. Khuluma nawe lapho uhlele endlini, khuluma mina indoda yakhona ngihamba ngiyi-1. Hayi ngami ngiyi-1. Ngihamba nomgijimani intwana yami VO uyazi nawe via Orlando. Uyazi phakamisa intwana yami Sibalande cash contant.
So bafethu uyigalang ndathi ba ka mthemba kana ba tsona dina kwetseo re hona ga mona na bafethu so tsomkonti tsa se yone intwana yene bafethu inkosi strat entertainment package strat ngene sathi ni shiku bisikhamisile bathi inkamba izondi abantu ngoshuna mokuya yishu sasa yona le bafethu kodwa chili deep inside Benekanti music, food, lifestyle, Sabalanda, and then we have an
don't forget to subscribe bafethu on our channel bafethu. Don't.
Hey, the subscription name
on PSC channel ngakhohlwa bafethu.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yithi labo bantu enhle sekuyisikhathi sakho isikhathi somgozi isikhathi sendaba isikhathi sokuxoxa isikhathi sokwazi. Yazi nginiphetheleni namhlanje. Yazi nginiphetheleni namhlanje. Bheka. Lithabo. Uyamazi uLithabo ngihamba nezinye izinja zegame bafethu yazi na ngami ngiyi-1 uzosichaza antshela ukuthi yena ubani udume ngani futhi yini leyazi usixoxela yakho azosixoxela yona. Niyazi ke indaba sosigubha somlando. Danko. Sawubona.
Sabona.
Unjani sisona?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm perfect. Ngishukela etiyeni mina ngikhale mina ngishukela etiyeni mina.
Welcome Sis Luthando. Welcome.
Ngiyabonga.
Sabonga ukuthi you graced us with your time. Ukuthi bekhona yabona uzosishela nolwazi futhi
noma sishile ngesikhathi
noma vele
ngesikhathi ungayeki leyo mate ungayeki ngesikhathi
aqube ngathi thank you for ukuthi ufike as they say better late than never. So yeah, we appreciate you for that. So bisaqala ukuthi nje wazise abalandeli bethu abasevali emakapastati
ukuthi wena udume ngani ukuthi wena udume ngani yeah hey zakhala yena umntana Luthando silenzani uLuthando mgijimani
Sanibonani Dumelang Abushengi. Hello, greetings and bingeleleke nonke makhamba ngegama nguLuthando ingane yaNkosi, but you all can call me Queen Thando. Firstly, since abangibhenile and they put me under the bus, I would like to say for it Matwarelo, I I am so late. But the fact that I appreciate makoti uyalindwa. Umakoti uyalindwa. You get what I'm saying? But I really appreciate the patience. I really appreciate that I'm late. But then I had to look the part.
Yeah,
I had to look the part. Make the first impression.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I didn't know who you guys, Mara. I am looking around and I'm like, why the production is so male production? Banyana Bagai, where's the representation of women, So Liluna, you're at fault because I feel like I'm surrounded by men.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we do respect, kings.
Yeah.
Mufasa.
Yeah.
So we really appreciate it.
That's who we are.
I really appreciate the welcome. It's been great. It's been an
honor. You are forgiven.
Yeah.
No.
By the way, if you ithole, cime. Una uyithole ucime izositisteba.
Bamfuna.
Izositisteba.
Bamfuna.
But anyways, I am here. I made it. Better late than never.
Please let us know ubani uLuthando. Who is Luthando? Kangaphi uLuthando? Uzalelwaphi uLuthando?
Y'all didn't.
Which Valosali people?
Y'all didn't Google me.
No, you're just telling the people.
But I'm kidding. I'm not on Google. But nevertheless. Queen Thando, born bred, buttered in the heart of Soweto.
Danko, esithothini esijimbosini.
Edlamini.
Yeah.
But currently residing in Palm Springs.
A PS.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did my media studies, right? And I ended up in a certain organization that
Yeah.
deals with health. And
Yeah.
then I was in that department, I was on, I'm a research assistant.
Yeah.
Right? And I don't know how I ended up in there, but I know ukuthi mamuhlala buza ukuthi so thina saqinywa and you wanted to do media studies.
Yeah.
We seen you on certain production houses and also
Yeah.
not. But now you ended up in a facility, you
Yeah.
know. But then that is Ulutan. I'm very bubbly, very
Yeah.
fun. And a lot of people, because they see the tattoos, babona, you know, the makeup and all of those things. But I kind of
Yeah.
So I'm an indoor baby.
Yeah. For real.
It's an organization, it's a clinic. But then, right, I cannot give them a free airtime.
Yeah.
I can't give a free airtime. They don't deserve it. You know, that's why I get it. It's a certain organization.
Yeah.
But then that is an organization that was cut by Ubabu Trump.
Yeah.
According to the funding, and then it affected a lot of people when it comes to Imsebenzi.
Yeah, for
not
real.
only us as queer people, because I am not sitting here only as a queer activist, but as a gender activist.
Yeah,
Because today I am
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
representing
Yeah.
Bontate, I'm representing Bomme, who lost their job.
Yeah.
I am representing my rainbow community
Yeah.
who are affected in a lot of ways,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
in a lot of ways. And besides that, kibona plate iyadlala.
Yeah.
Not plate iyasikhambane iyakota, iyaflya, iyabhani chow. You know.
Definitely kumele kube nekota.
So sishiye emuva bariyeza.
Yeah.
You know? So this is what we're all about today. So I was like, you know what? Let me have a sit down because a lot of people have been affected.
Yeah.
Not only a
For
queer community,
Yeah.
but cisgender people as well. That's why I'm saying what I'm sitting here as a gender activist.
Yeah.
I'm representing everybody, even though we are, as queer people, we are excluded in a lot of things.
Yeah.
But
for
when I'm
real.
sitting in exclusive and just putting everybody in the table.
Showcase.
So
Right.
speaking of like you, like being queer.
Mm-hmm.
Like when, how did you come about like realizing, acknowledging what's wait? I'm queer. I'm not of this. I'm not
Yeah.
of that. But I'm this. Like
Yeah.
how did that hit you? How did you realize? Wait, I'm actually like this. Like this is who I am. And so I don't know if you did.
Riko kai? No. Where are we? Eh?
Soweto, Deep Kloof.
Zone 4 with your bodies.
Oh, and ke kholetse ko Dlamini.
How tsebe go Joe
And
Biden?
Dlamini e mona ne ke Pimville ke Dlamini.
Yeah.
You know, and batho ba sele, you know, people are so ignorant. Batho
Yeah.
ba sele, and you are seeing a lot of people growing up in your community whether they are gay,
Yeah.
whether they are lesbian,
Yeah.
whether they are drag queens,
Yeah.
whether they are trans, right? Or whether they're straight as you are. You know a person that you played with. You know a person's sexuality. But I am not going to burn you for it. But I'm saying maybe you're trying to educate people that are not aware of it, or people that are a bit ignorant when it comes to people's sexuality, right? I was born like this, right? Neridlala mantlwantlwane, neridlala me, abuti gangeni, and I had cisgender guys like you who are straight like you, right? Whether by day or by night or when it suits them. But at the time we were young.
Yeah.
So whatever that they saw, babuni wanyana. And I always say that we teach. I believe in you teach children how to hate,
Yeah.
right?
That's true.
Because of as much as I was feminine, as much as Nekibona Kilime, I know Jabu, I know Tabo, I know Mang Mang, and I'm Matisa Horkim Sadwak, you know, repair of Ella Hutini and Gilmusadwa High Valley, rebuild that house, and what's not, right?
Jabo.
And Now, immediately when we start growing, right? How kala uhlalifa so thola the wet dreams.
Yeah.
Now so na lentsha gore na le monate mmeleng, una lentse tshewang and what's not. And then ko gae ba ya bua ka taba tsa bo yini le dlala ubani usenzo ubani uJason. You know, ke Satan umputamang and what's not.
Yeah.
And now you start to pick up that oh, this is not a norm. Actually,
Yeah.
the person that I see as a woman is actually not woman. So now the hatred is being fed.
Showcase.
You get what I'm saying?
Showcase,
Regardless of how you feeling.
Sure.
Do I make sense?
Ah, it really makes sense.
Do I
to
make
me.
sense?
Ah, kakhulu.
And then ujabu sakana leto ukuthi hello. Wafita. Ninginingi uSipho makana abangani bakhe. Wafita udlula first stop.
Wakhetha igama lawo.
Kutsho khona.
Phela mothi uSipho usho mina.
Udlula first stop. Udlula first stop.
Imagine.
And then makakubona uyi-1.
Yeah.
Unalento ukuthi hello. And you're like hi. Uyandlula, you know?
Yeah.
And uSipho when he passes by your house and maloku ukoropa nawe ula.
Yeah.
You know? And Sipho's like, but she's kind of a girl.
Yeah.
You know?
Uyayibona
But she doesn't
le.
want to say it to anybody
Angeke azayisho.
else.
Yeah,
That's why I'm
uzofisa.
always saying, Hore, we teach people how to hate. We teach children how to hate.
hate, yeah.
But they grow up on how you feel. In the same class that I was in,
Yeah.
every single male cisgender boy that I was in class with, they saw me as a girl that I was. I was recognized as a girl, right? Until it gets to a certain stage where Guinea, when they are watching certain programs or watching certain series, kind of change the channel.
Yeah.
Change the what, and the people that are changing the channel, might go to Bugela, whatever that is watching. Bahambi yokokota kabos ban by the window and go to Vula.
For real. Yeah.
Open. You know?
Yeah.
It's one of those things, but yeah.
So, ngicela ukukubuza sasekuyo le topic ne.
Yeah.
Esikoleni, how did they treat you? Benjani treatment from abanye abantu? You know, esikoleni there's different kinds and kinds wabantu, you understand?
Yeah.
So when was it a challenge ukufunda the way ubunga khona ukwaface ubunzima or it was easy for you because of when abunganaki? Phela kunabanye abantu like abane like self esteem yabo is too high. Angeke umenze nix lo muntu noma ungahleka noma ungayenzani, she's always strong lo muntu lo, you understand? Maybe you have that character because I can see ukuthi vele wena akuvaliwe la kuvaliwe ngeconcrete ngiyadla since nje uqinile nje, but kwaface like ama challenges anjalo, like feeling like ngathi ungasiyeka isikolo bakutreata kabi, bakukhuluma kabi, they don't feel like umuntu, they don't treat you like umuntu wesifazane.
To be quite honest with you, I would kind of say on that part, and I like the question,
Yeah.
really. And it's something that each and every single queer person goes through,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Even in South Africa, I still say for being queer, it's political. Wahambisa ikota. Womile, uya shota. Uya eta.
Ueta in.
Izobanda. Oh,
Athi izobanda. Izobanda ikona.
So in that case, I wouldn't say, I don't remember, as much as I'm telling you that you teach children how to hate, and that is me in primary. And in my secondary years, nekilungwanyana okenang bo shote gray, bo skate se gray.
Yeah.
And nekingwana wa kontongo ko 49. Ke badile ko Pinville.
Alright.
To school ko Pinville.
Yeah.
And kilwaneti who wear my skirt and my
Yeah.
shorts
Yeah.
in January. And I had an English teacher that was very like confused and not too pretty and I didn't talk why you know. And when they were gonna be like, gray trouser and long, and I was like, so what do I tell the cops? I don't have a right to be in class.
Yeah.
I don't have a right to have a better education like anybody else.
Yeah.
You know? And I was able to be the child that has to be strong. And I didn't, as an individual, I didn't have to be strong.
Yeah.
Each and every single queer person, whether you are a trans person, whether you are a drag queen, whether you are gay, whether you're a bisexual person,
Yeah.
you are going through a lot.
Showcase.
Right?
Showcase.
And today we have a lot of cisgender men.
Yeah.
We have a lot of cisgender woman a batla go jwetsa gore wa tseba o nyesa make up go feta nna
Yeah.
wa tseba you guys are working so hard wa tseba you guys le batho ba chelete e tswang kae you get what I'm saying
Yeah.
we are trying to prove a point kuwe
Yeah.
to say gore o mpitsitse gore ke stabane
Yeah.
o mong a rona le kukuna le pipi exciting without confirming and getting naked to you o mong a o jwetsa gore you're a freak o mong a o jwetsa gore a o deserve go phela you know
Yeah.
so we had to work hard on the skills that we have to prove to everybody that
You're also human.
mamela ke bereka ka thata
And you deserve good
and
things
ke tlo
also.
go nyetsa ka everything I'm going to excel in
Yeah,
everything
ka
that I do.
bophelo.
You get
Ba
what I'm
nyese
saying?
wena,
O
man.
tlo sala wena o le zero nna ke tlo bereka ka thata
Yeah.
because we grow up you are trying to find yourself
Yeah.
you are confused when you're looking in the mirror
Showcase.
you confused gore the child that, no the girl that I grew up with was my friend
Yeah.
right o hlela
Igama.
matswele
Igama.
and wena o mpatla ditaba o mpatla dikgang o mpatla di-news Hey, to begin you know?
Yeah.
So when I was growing up, I was very close with Ubuhle. Ubuhle was
Yeah.
one of my friends, and everybody thought we were twins. She's currently residing in Ko Naledi.
Yeah.
And we looked alike, but we were not like related, we were not twins. But for the fact that we were always together and we were tall together. And when she started growing Matwele, Hlaela, you know, mamela, ke ngwanyana o gore I'm beating myself every day. Why wa ka sa gole? Why? Ho etsagalang, you know? And when she got her first period, you know, I was excited for her.
Yeah.
Marataka why di sa fihle? Why?
Wafuna la.
Mamela ke emitse di-period tsaka. And ka mo o batla mojolo.
wena.
Ha o tsebe go sheba.
Mathata
O
vele.
tletse boya. Wa understand? O ntse o bare mamela o tshaba basadi o
Yeah.
tshaba wena o tshaba sponge o
Showcase.
tshaba phantshangkgwane wena o tshaba kukunane
Wena.
o mongata ngata and you're
Hey.
like oh Jehovah ntate modimo ba raba tsemane bana ba mpatla what you know so I still remember there was this other time
Yeah.
ke tshwere ke moruto umchamo uyangivuruvaya umchamo udlala ngami ngiyagijima mamela kamunandi kanjani yazi lo strong
Yeah.
mawubona i-toilet ustot uthi really awufiki
Awukafiki mara
uzodripha ngwanyana ke ngwanyana o batla go releasa ke route so ever since I was very young
Yeah.
Nekidula go toileting because my mom was like, you're always missing the sports and I'm not gonna clean after you. So you rather sit down. Alright? So Nekidula Fati and you know you have to shake because you don't even want to touch it. So you know, so a girl was not a dealer would girl take what take 2 seconds and then would give up. So you know the sensation there's something that is still there, there's something that needs to be pushed out and also not that is irritating.
Yeah.
You know.
Wenza.
Like I got my first period finally.
Misholo kamezi.
Mamela sikhuluma sisewindweni. Ukubo ewindweni ngingaphandle. I need a pad. Ngidinga i-pad.
Uyamanga.
Nginike i-pad. Nginike.
Wenza ngisho.
Zange emotional, excited.
Bekana.
So nice, so sad because she went
Yeah.
first before me.
Oh, yeah.
She was like, girl, so sad. Isn't it me wearing it for 3 days?
Unamanga.
Hello.
Uyibhekeva?
Ngithi ngibamele number ukuthi 3 to 5 days.
Uyibhekeva?
Hello.
Uyibhekeva?
Ngiso. Manje lala emcamelweni.
Uyazongihlekisa. Uletha abantu uzelela.
Yo, ngiyanyala.
Puza.
Oh, Jehovah. Oh, God.
Walibeke sendlini.
And we had this conversation with her the other time. I'm like, do you remember when I had my first period?
Uthini? Sekuthomi yawe wahamba.
I'm gonna believe. Because Molo girl, you were the girl that you thought you were.
Like confidence yakho dog.
Molo ungwanyana o
Yeah.
untwe e so ne ke na dintho gore ya tswa bele
Uphuma le nje-
yo makeup ya mosheka guys
Unhlekisela so.
yeah I'm looking back and I look back and I'm laughing
Meditation.
life but immediately when I felt so happy with blood I was like no Mary Ming and I'm why mina mina tomato sauce
Yeah.
like that was
Bit of
why
vinegar, no sauce.
oh yeah bruh
Maybe you had the, maybe you had the transparent one.
Njebe was njeba ringi uningi yo ngulogelo kaShembe and I didn't know how to deal with it and it's so sad because now you don't have somebody that's going to teach you
Yeah.
to say "Oh, this is the right way to shave there's an aftershave you know to avoid the bumps to avoid all of those things nobody's going to teach you that
I mean angishave angikaze ngashave angifuni uqamba mama.
ubhuto kaShembe
I mean I
but it's so sad if
Is the way. Is the way.
but it's so sad if you have a queer person who doesn't have that person to say
This is what you go
this is how
through.
you shave you know ingrown hair isebenza kanje to avoid the bumps nobody teaches that akunamuntu okuteacha nange lubricant bro
That's true.
umuntu bakahijack akakutsheli nange Vaseline uyahlasela uhlasela uyaqhaqha uzwa la ngathi inyawo zahlukana there's something that yo
Terminator.
Jehovah ntate Jaira
Akudlalwa la.
sorry
Akudlalwa la.
hello
Sifaka idry njalo.
Nyambona utry gin. Ukuvalele into engaka. Wena ula. Uyibambe la. Uya way about because moya move yenu engena. Mara sikho lapho. Let's continue. Ay.
Love again. So like I'm realizing a lot of things. Like you are putting me onto some things. Yeah, but and imagine me thinking jampayo engifuna ukubuza yona ukuthi wena so njengoba sofunde kangaka wabona you know to go to yabo wena you understand so when you peep it and you peep it on a zoom level now yabo you zoom it in peep it close like would you say really like there's no connection in terms of discovery between trans people and gay people?
No, I would say to you, I was classified as a gay person.
Yeah.
That's what I want to
Because
know.
I was not in
Please
the
break that.
level of transitioning.
Yeah.
So me being gay, I fall under people that were called drag queens. Because me I've been known as that, but I was too
Yeah.
colorful.
Yeah.
Mengulo girl by color.
So abantu abaningi like with that image I'm a drag queen.
No, a person that wear weaves, makeup,
Yeah.
dikete,
Yeah.
hana matswele, or ufaki bra, and then there's nothing to
yeah,
back it
babona
up.
lawo, yeah.
Yes, abo drag.
Oh, what
Drag.
They are called drag queens.
So-
And then there are gay people who are straight acting umjito fana nawe. Mani hamba estrateni nebangani when you speak jita language and also not. Man blomile rumini lakho ningamajita kini babambona hawu ngale rumini. Kanti man fike rumini nibhekisana phansi phezulu. Khali kwayi one way. Hongkhase
Nina nenzani lapha ema-backroom nina?
Why understand?
That's why.
Mamela hongkhase bunu hwanyiwe.
Hongkhase bunu.
Wang understand they're straight acting. Bavitsisa someone.
Yeah.
Wang understand color. Upatla. And again, you know, straight people. Shy. Where are they? I'll look to camera 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Bangang shy, ne?
It's irrespectfully, allegedly.
Mara, they are straight. They know themselves. They're
Yeah.
straight acting people.
She should stop.
Ah, bumakwinya. Baminite ngengimela. Mina mangibona I'm like, yo, I'm shaking. I'm like, bro, this is a
Uyabona
lot.
ukuthi-
You know,
Imagine.
you
Imagine.
know. So, but abomagwinya, they're straight. Yeah. But
Bomagwinya.
guys, abomaphanga.
Bomagwinya.
Bayaphanga. Asiselanga lokho.
Big man.
Ngifuna indaba ngizelanga lokho.
Thanda zona. Ngithi siyabashaya. Sibalanda ngomgomo. What's na?
Limpatla dinggang and dinggang. Ngifuna
How many
indaba.
tattoos do you have? Like I see you got a couple of tattoos. How many
Yeah.
tattoos do you have?
I've got these, but they're not enough. I've
How
got
many
some
so far?
at the back, and I've got one over here.
So you want to get 1,
And
2, 3?
I've got Why are you saying 1, 2, 3? They can't be 1, 2, 3 because you can see how a lot of them
SD
and
it's
or on the departments.
yazi sisenza kanjani
Asisinginanto lana, dinanto on here, and I've got something on here, and I've got something over here.
Alozokukhumulisa lo.
no one thing I noticed about la matatu ake ngiwabonayo wonke ana one thing in common, they all have stars.
Yeah.
So why iphuma
meaning.
up yeah iphuma up why wonke ana stars wonke like
I think the
there's- you have
meaning
many
behind
stars.
it was I'm a person that believes in music, that music is about healing, you know, and every single music has a certain meaning behind it.
Yeah.
Whether kia groove, that person has been through something.
Yeah.
Whether kia kereke, lo muntu sesontweni, it's
Yeah.
something. Whether sesijava ngengoma ze groove, you know, whether it was or not,
But there's always
this
a-
person is drafting from, whether it's not them personally,
Showcase.
but ubona umakhelwane, ubona umntana wasekasi, ubona umntana wase-in. And with the stars, I was like, regardless of my sexuality, I'm a star. You know, nobody's gonna tell me
Ivari.
otherwise, and I'm not gonna
Ivari.
believe it.
Mongositsheli ufuna ukutshela
You get what I'm
Super
saying?
crazy.
And I still remember I was raised by my stepdad.
Yeah,
And my-
shout out.
Shout out,
Yeah,
step
yeah,
down.
What I'm
yeah.
saying, they're
Awekho
not-
amadodakazi. Hey,
They're
ubani
not,
igama
they're
lakhe?
not bad.
Ubani igama lakhe simbize manje?
Enoch.
Ta Enoch.
Enoch Khosan.
Ta
And
Enoch
he's a
Khosan.
deceased.
Shout out time
May he
alarm.
rest in peace.
Awu
Uyaduba.
lala ngoxolo.
Mudwetha happy phinde.
Lala ngoxolo.
Wenzile umsebenzi.
Yeah, wenzile
You know,
umsebenzi.
they are
That's
not-
true.
they're not bad.
Akusinoma ubani dog.
You know, and we know-
and the worst part is stepfather dog.
And we, sorry, can I just pick this up? And we
yeah.
never say it
Kulala.
enough. You know, we are
Yeah.
always, we say by ripa, basile, bastuti, baisa.
Yeah.
There are good dads out there. That's who are taking full
Iqiniso.
responsibility.
Yeah.
Not my dad. It's not like my dad ran away from that responsibility.
Uyabazi
Mara yena
nabanje.
ulandu baba ngesipam. Baba muhamba welale sailing overnight. Because usabe spam, ngithi baba mphela. I'm sure ukuthi mimi akayifanele number 2. Abanale ukuthi I'm just going to be peaceful welale
Yeah.
sailing. Lo muntu uthatha umntana ngiyeshova, you know. But besides that, he did a raised job because I still remember mangesontweni.
Bekanenkani.
Masemasontweni, we hear a lot of, hey, itabane, hey, what's ngathi ubheke wena ngithi wena ufake
Yeah.
ne-eyebrow tshekile
Yeah.
back then makeup
Yeah, usafunda.
ufake ikwayikwayi laka auntie elizitshekele and unanento ukuthi hey itabane what not
ungifikele nokutshala amasinga
Uyayisola lokuyisolo ukuthi
you get what I'm saying?
Hey.
And my dad used to say to me, do not believe what the pastor tells you.
Yeah.
Right? Whatever
true.
scripture, whatever
Yeah.
scripture that the pastor is going to read, come back home, read it according to your understanding,
Yebo.
analyze it,
Yeah.
explain it to yourself,
Yeah.
believe what you understand.
shout out to dad
Simple.
Shout out.
Do
Simple.
do not allow somebody else to take credibility
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
do not blame yourself to what another person's assumptions.
Showcase.
So when I create your own relationship with God,
Yeah.
regardless of what
Phela.
somebody is going to say to
Yebo.
you, and I didn't understand at the time, Hore, my dad is preparing me to say, Hore, do not listen to what the outside people say.
Showcase.
I still remember when he said to me, you are so beautiful, you are so clever,
Aw ino.
but ko strateng ba tlo jwetsa gore you are a creature. I was like actually ukuthi uyitabane nekuku nepipi.
Yeah.
Bazokutshela ukuthi you are a freak.
Yeah.
Oh, into so. Those are the things that you don't tell you in this house. So don't believe it.
Yeah.
And it was him preparing me to say, "How you are different."
Siyabonga.
And as much as you're different, people are gonna say things to you that are very mean. Do not believe it because we
Bunzima,
see you
bunzima.
otherwise.
Yeah.
So nice.
Boss
So big, so
okwena,
beautiful.
mntana.
Athina sibonga abafethu makusana amatime agrand amatime anenhliziyo ezigrand.
The stepfather, ibe
bro.
uri the stepfather.
The stepfather take grand.
How
Just
so
like me.
Go
Just
fella,
like me. You
why
understand?
Oh, you're also a stepdad.
Yeah, I'm also a stepdad.
You're raising somebody else's son.
2 kids, bro.
Hello.
I have 2. She has 2.
Ntate
We are
okay.
living.
Ntate wabana okay.
It's just
Is
a
he also
useless
involved? Are you
mampara, that's all.
co-parenting?
Yeah.
Kaufela.
Arikawufela same house.
Asingamlibali ke.
And ndiyalobola December uthini njani?
Hello.
Ndaqhubeka
Ngeza.
ndamthatha.
Ndifuna ukuba khona.
Ndifuna ukumwetha.
invitation set
Ndiyamwetha
Hello.
lo.
Ngeza.
but you must come with something you mustn't come empty handed
Nisile ninjalo. You always have to carry something.
you can come to it's a nice ceremony
Wena uzanani?
nami ngizane gift ngizombayela something khotman usipanile see something
Mamela.
You know,
Mamela.
something-
Mole
Not bhodlela, don't drink alcohol, bro.
bese
Awusele mina. Ndenza okunye.
Ngicela amanzi. Ngizozana amanzi. Unreasonable.
Amanzi.
I will buy water.
Ngithandi. Ngithanda amanzi. Awusangizeli nengubonyana.
water.
Mina nomama so fudumala yabona nje into enjalo.
But then let us not respect the work that you're doing.
Yeah.
And for the fact that he's also a present father and he's doing amazing work and you guys are co-parenting.
Yeah.
You understand? So you'll deserve credibility.
Injalo.
So it's a salute to you guys.
Asibonge yakhula yazi ukukhula yazi. Nami ngisakhula bengitshetha ngeke ngikube kanje but I find myself kukanje ngeke ngize ngishiye.
Uthando,
Yeah, uthando.
Lerato.
Yeah.
Lerato. Heart. Heart.
Heart.
The mind did not leave, but the heart is
Speaking
near.
of love, do you remember your first love?
Why?
No, not that you miss them, but
Why?
was it that bad?
Remember it.
Because I think it's something. In a connection in my first impressions, it's a first of what you did. It's something that it's most likely to be stuck with you in Mpilo Yakho Yonke because it's a first of you doing something in Mpilo Yakho Yonke. You know.
Ulithabo akafuni
Wherever you at, wherever you
Kwathiseni ulithabo.
Ubani kama like kwere.
Kwere. Mamela ne. I really think so. Kupa so bata be.
He's solving no.
Right?
He's solving no.
He said his intro. And you said your name is?
Kitchen.
We are Kitchen. Kitchen. Right? And you said your intro.
Hulumeni into engahle namadoda ehleka nabafazi.
Othi thuma mina.
Yeah.
Right? And it's giving me lithabo. I don't know why I'm happy.
Oh, hey.
But ke
No
lithabo.
Luthando.
But I don't blame you because I
No,
didn't even know your guys' names.
Yeah.
You usually introduction but I know fufa.
Hey, well.
So can I get hopula gore ke Mukijimbi and
Kitchen.
we are Kitchen.
The ugly running one.
Kitchen.
We are confident. You understand? So I forgive them. I forgive them. And it's not good. Research was no say.
I don't know how
Like,
do
what
I
do you know
forget
they
this
made
name,
sense?
bro? And my friend is Luthando is right here, bro.
Yeah, I'll Luthando.
Yes, Luthando is just
Wait.
looking at his phone.
Look at bigger
Luthando.
pants.
Yeah,
With the
Luthando.
blue into beanie.
Yeah, this one
Oh, ah.
is an ignorant
hat.
fool.
It's okay.
Never
It's a
had.
fine. Guys, man, ngambona ubitha.
Hey, usirious ubheke phansi akafuni next. Mara umsebenzi we security vele kanyiwa. Yeah. We need to understand.
Ngaphandle kumuntu.
Ulinde isibuza umbuzo uzobuza. Hayi niyazi bafethu, this is your channel bafethu. Kodwa and chill nani nazi bafethu sihleli la khona la ema4 bafethu sa relaxile hleli nayo siswethu Luthando. Siyakhala bafethu samlanda ngomgosi simlanda ngendaba. Don't forget to subscribe ku PSE channel bafethu. This is Kodwa and Chill. Yimi uHulumeni ngihamba nomgijimi samlanda namanje ngendaba ngomgosi. So ngitshele ke siswami mina ke sengifike la ngithanda ngakhona la ngathi siyaye east nje.
I-ice
Uyangithola?
ibreakile.
Yeah.
You were breaking the ice. Mafuna ukubona ngismile.
Do you remember the first man to Phahlaza? And how was the
Mara, why are we
Phahlaza?
patrolling? Why are we hitting other people's feelings? Because I'm not here for that.
We are just talking.
I'm
just
not here for
talking.
that. I
That
remember.
experience, okay.
But I did give the EG. When he was here, and we're gonna bata, we're gonna mafuta, we're gonna eat. Brother, we're getting a show me again. And
Oh,
it
that was the first
And it
Phahlaza.
was those things. Yakhumbula ngalesi sikhathi lesiya. Mawule lento ukuthi sekuphelile. Mfethu samsendlini solanda. You remember those days?
Yeah.
Bafana nto ukuthi hayi mali
Yeah.
sephi.
Sure, I see.
Mfethu nami sengiphelele yazi.
Yeah, Sam Soyilanda.
Yeah, ngicela sambe sendlini, sambe suku Soyilanda.
Ekade ish.
Masifika endlini uyabamba uyayeka and ngifuna ukuhamba. Oh, ngishiya endlini and you were like ngiyeza khona manje.
impukane?
Impukane or mosquito.
Yini yona le?
Phela igazi lami li-fresh ngaba mosquito in winter. So now so my guy is like no to you babe ne.
Yeah.
Le nto le abangisa kuyile sasipoko.
Lucilo.
You know.
Lucilo.
Ah man.
Bogo.
Ah man. Ibitha izanayo. Hakiphi sikira man.
Mbaya.
Ngifuna ukuhlanza.
Tagi.
Yeah.
Bong 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Yanyangisa.
Hi, the show is over.
Nama.
So,
Ayasiyeke le ndaba.
so
I
the
see.
nigga wanted to go. Okanti uyovulela Pitbull.
She's
So
trap.
And they were like, asahambe, wenzani, awuqedi, kanti yini, I mean, I'm leaving. Asavele vai.
Gandhi.
Hello, mawuthi uvula umnyango, ebhati ikhiwe. Naba osathane.
Bami
Yo.
sekumele ubuye man.
Hof. Yo, like, ngicela ukuhamba, sahamba, phuma. Nginikeza isikhina sesikhiya sivulele umnyango.
Ayama yamajini.
Nangu Pitbull. And actually thinking about it, rape, yes.
Kahle kahle.
Uyithathe ngenkani, ungdomile.
Mari le nkani smart, ile nkani yabona le nkani.
Ungdomile. Mina ngabe ngivula i-case, but what's the point of vulling a case? Because bazobuza ukuthi ukurapile. And you're like, yeah, bathi kuphi?
Bese yaqala ke le ndaba le bazokudelela.
Ah, unamandla ngaka, wawungamshayanga. Ukurape kanjani? You know? But nonetheless.
Kuyakhulunywa vela ne. Nina nasibona nina.
But who's gonna
But
be? My question is, right? I don't respect on a younger version of a drag queen that I was.
Yeah.
I didn't respect a person in a uniform.
Yeah.
Angimthandi uputa for uniform who's known as a protector. Right?
I mean I can understand.
And the saddest part is knowing Hore, they are signing an oath to say Uguti,
To protect
I will
someone.
protect, I will serve, I will work beyond. Ngizoshaya ithamla, ngizoshaya stretch, ngizomake sure ukuthi ngenza ini to
Yeah.
make whatever that I have to do. And they didn't. They failed us in so many ways.
Vele
And
nina you are not supported. Khale
Yeah.
lento le ngathi manje. You understand?
beside manje, uyadlala.
Serious.
Still West.
When makhuluma GVV, uke waza kukhulunywa ngathi
Yeah, vele they don't include. Yeah, vele.
But how many people who are queer that have been killed that you know of that you can mention? We've got Abo Unene Foundation.
Yeah.
Now, kukhulunywa nge what's that foundation again? Who's the person that is it label? The one that is currently trending right now that has been killed, and I think it's a male.
Olgato.
Ulirato. Right.
Lo at 18.
Hello. I'm
Yeah,
full
we
of
know.
was because it makes me bitter.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
Because
Ulirato.
the reason why it makes me bitter is I was scrolling on my phone.
Yeah.
Uyawuthanda ke izinto ezitrendayo.
Yeah.
And there is this queer people who is the girl is so drag and wenza nezi singles and unegazi eliwomile and ulimele ushayiwe and it's like yesterday ngishayiwe because of my sexuality. Nobody says anything about it.
Kwathule
Right? So we are being violated.
too much.
We are sexually violated.
Abused.
I was detained for more than 24 hours and I was in a cell that I was raped by almost like over 15 people in that cell. And nobody's going to say anything about it because when I wanted to escalate the matter, I was threatened. Right? My mom was threatened. My mom feared more than me because me and I anti-Sabia and I don't back her down. But my mom was like, I'm not going to lose you for it. Do you get what I'm saying? But angizelanga okho.
But
I'm not here for
besides, we
that.
need to address the president. We need to address the government.
see, but
You
they want-
understand? We need to
listen.
tell them, you need to take
Kwenza
this case.
kanjani?
Yabona lento le-
You know, the case is serious, guy.
How?
Dog.
Can't just let it slide. Tetela unomuntu.
Mele
In,
wenze ama
in this
rights way.
case, I said I'm not going to be emotional. I see Kulmin. I
Yeah.
am not here to be emotional
Yeah.
because I know a lot of people. They're going to be like a lot of people that see me speaking about it. And we
Yeah.
heard your story, and people others recognize me in guitar too. They're like, "Oh my goodness, what you went through is what's not."
Yeah.
I'm not a victim. For the fact that I'm able to speak about it,
Yeah.
I have gained my power. But being queer in South Africa, I think we're so a third country that is given illegal rights to get married,
No, but
to adopt, body pride, but it's still political
In Africa. Or
South
in
Africa.
South Africa.
We are known as people as South Africa is known as a country that has a beautiful constitution, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Ria nyala, ria adopta,
That's true.
ria do 1 and 2 3.
Yeah.
It doesn't serve us anything because refugee rights to Kuala Mulomo. Shut up. It's okay what you go through. President Haibua is not going to include you. ha go bua ka GBV, you're not included.
Yeah.
Ha go bua ka di murders. Ya rona ki hate crime.
Yeah.
Maraya,
Again,
you said who?
Olerato.
Ulerato. It's murder
Yeah.
and whatnot. Unto Unene Foundation, Unene was a murder and whatnot. Ya rona ki hate crime. Why is it hate crime?
Nibhekene nobunzima.
You get what I'm saying? Why is it still called
is
hate
deep.
crime?
This is
A
too
person
deep.
in overseas is like, yo, it's nice to be in South Africa because you guys have all the rights and you this and this and this and this. Motho tswang Zimbabwe, o tlo go jwetsa ntho o tswang Nigeria, o tlo go jwetsa gore go monate ka mona. Bontate ba teng ba tla ko teng ba batla go le jola, ba Ethiopia ha ba fita ba batla go le palama, ba batla go etsa eng ho monate nkere. In their country they can't do it, right?
Yeah.
But rona constitution ya re dumela. Mara re bodile, it doesn't serve us anything.
Yeah.
It doesn't serve us
That's
anything.
true, that's
Okay,
true.
it's my first bottom surgery last year October. Ntho e ke itletseng moon and ke batla re latele hantle because mpotsa ntho tse ding.
And then I'm feeling ngathi
Let
siya-
me get what I'm here for.
Yeah.
Please put
Re
us on.
keneng tabeng eo.
Bottom surgery. Yeah, silande ke cash.
Like Dylan
Abona leyo ngifuna ukuyizwa.
Wana khana pangkhwane, wana khana kukunare, wana khana pick what, wana khana hey gore ke tlo e bula ke ir. Wana khana to think let me get to it.
Because it's like,
Balance, balance.
You took it
knowledge
right
is
thing,
power,
into
knowledge is
that.
power, you know? Knowledge is power, man. I mean, like,
And I respect that.
yeah, you
But
just,
bro,
I
I
respect
love
that.
Kuyo yonke into mfethu like she's strong.
Too much.
Yeah, strong. Survive
Too much, yeah.
Udlule ko yazi udlule kubunye ubuhlungu kumanje ngathi ngakhala but
Leswa ngibonga isprite nekota yakhe
yeah.
Sprite the people like endorsement.
Abanye abantu bafethu they go through difficult things bafethu hey badlule bunzimeni bangempela ungambona umuntu sekhulele semdala ezijabulele it was not easy you must know bengekho lula.
I love that and I respect it and I really appreciate it. And for the fact that people always say, "Khore," if you look at a gay person in the word gay, good dictionary, they say happy people.
Yeah, light.
And if you look at the word queer, it says strange because we are using every single term to say, okay, I'm queer. What else are you going to call me? I am overly happy.
Yeah.
So what? It doesn't mean I'm not human. It's not okay.
Yeah.
Nobody speaks about bisexual people, yo.
Ah,
Nobody speaks
yeah,
about, and
yeah,
I really
yeah.
respect
True.
that guy
Yeah.
because of when he comes out, he does it proudly. Because Kobona, even though, okay, let's do this. When I'm gonna come out to my family or they see the root, he's gonna be this person, when there isn't so and what's or not. Nobody speaks about how our parents really need to go to therapy because abazali bethu they are losing a boy child, they are losing a wife, they are losing children, and sizothi umama uyangizonda ngithi abangifuni abangithandi, but
Yeah.
we are not giving them time to heal in understanding what they lost, the grief that they're losing.
Yeah,
They're
that's
losing
true.
a lot.
Too much.
And mina ngifuna ukuthi bang-understande gore ke mamorogo ke ngwanyana
Yeah.
ke gay nairi.
Yeah.
And we're not understanding where they're coming from. Yo, let's speak about that.
Asilande cash.
Ukuthi baluza umfana, baluza umakoti, baluza ingane. And this is what they're expecting from you. And they're looking at this boy child and they're like, wakamuhle, ingane sizoba nazo, makoti uzoba masimba wenzani, phuma efonini, come back, buya.
Angithi ngifuna ukulandela indaba zakho la ngithi phela
Oh, so
nginama questions.
nama questions.
Yeah, benginama questions.
Mara ungibuzanga ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma ngani.
No, mina ngisafocusela kule
Moyi.
Yeah.
Moyi. So, we understand. Nobody speaks about that. And not that they hate us, not that they don't want us. Even our character and our behavior as well. I hate a person because now we are in the same box. If a person is going to go to your inbox, are you good on doing hate? We're not going to BJ. And then I get about JJ cool. Or get a BJ. You get what I'm saying? When I got out on get this Them, you know, that's what we're known of, and these are the things that we put ourselves through. because we need recognitions, we need to be acknowledged, we need to be known, we need to be accepted within the community.
True.
Right? And we allow that. And not that because we need to be in the same box. I am losing the both of you, and
And I'm here, sorry.
come back.
There was just a little bit of... No, you have to. There was a little bit of my online. So na kopela fela ish. Obana so shile go maru. Biri maru. I want us to talk more about this, like your surgery, and like enlighten us.
Thank you, but I'm not only here for that.
Yeah, showcase.
I'm getting to that, and thank you for that.
Sibonge.
Ke a go respecta ke leboga tebe ya hao gore there and there ha unsi. You too as well. One bang ilihlo la ukuthi ngizokushiya ngaphandle.
Hayi bengayiboni kanjalo. Ngeke ngisabe.
So, right, let's say what brought me here is I was working for one of the organizations, as I've said, because I was part of ethic and research.
Yeah.
Right? Ndate Trump, akata funding, that didn't affect me. That didn't affect my rainbow community. But me was gender. We worked with Ndate. We worked with younger people that had to be retrenched, like myself, who had to lose their jobs. Right? And I don't want to get to the politics of funding or not, but I want to get it to the top where funding loses and a lot of people lost their jobs.
Yeah.
But because of being creates political, have you? I wonder the last time you had a conversation about it. Funding and
like it didn't
too many to fail
it didn't sustain that time.
And we're not really more and also not. And to me, I had queer sisters that were getting hormonal therapy within our facility.
Yeah.
That were ready to get their top surgery, who are trans men, who were born female, but now because of they identify as man, they were ready to do their bottom surgery. And others went through their bottom surgery. And there are girls who are willing to do their first bottom surgery, like I did, but never had the opportunity. There are people right now who are de-transitioning. When you're not having your medication, your breasts start going. Hey.
Going home. Come on, better.
I'm faced with a busy. Hello. Stay. No, if you haven't done your bottom surgery, I'm getting angakayichazi. Wena uthanda le part. Ufuna la. On the lower part. Sebekele part 3.
I don't want to lie. I can think it's under Jangalento. Kunaiza.
The best feeling ever, man.
Like I can't wait to very. What is figure labo?
Keep it up now, yeah, but this nigga, I'm not just keep it up. I mean, I'm significant clip, yeah, but me, like you're one of the few people who are so open and proud. We would say, okay, you know what, like I'm seeing, we would say I'm a fault, and this is what I'm willing to do. So basically, like if there's any like community activity that you are busy with or you've been busy with, maybe if there's something now, maybe that's okay, I can join that NAMI and be part of the movement that sparks.
But we can speak about it later on. But at this moment is the matter of a lot of people who have lost their work. And right now, I am directing this. I'm not saying for our president, you need to speak to us directly. I am not saying the Department of Health has to come back to us directly, but there should be a movement. Because what really hurt me is having a call day before yesterday. I was speaking to one of the person that is a transgender man who is saying to me, I haven't been getting my medication, and the saddest part is my menstrual cycle has come back. And I can't tell them because and I'm using a cloth. You get. And now, they started being wary of saying or or in.
Le nto ka-Trump ikhawutha abantu ababhaya.
I could get pregnant.
Eh.
Yeah, gone.
Sheesh.
I can get pregnant, and nobody's saying anything. People are turning a blind eye. Pamela, I spoke to someone. I'm like, ngifuna ukuya ku-Morning Live. I spoke to someone. I spoke to someone saying who's a close friend of mine. I'm saying, I'm going to YFM. Speak to DJ Sebi. I know Sebi, and he was like, Sebi, oh. I think I forgot my camera. I'm sorry, but
ngiyazi usebutheni no.
I'm in that sense. I was like,
Fana no Sebi.
yes. I was like, can you push the movement? You get what I'm saying? Can you speak about it the most? We are not saying hurry. Government department, but can we be wary? Can we let the community know?
Yeah.
Can we let the world know hurry? You know,
Yeah.
we had in our company we have males that we speak about get groundsman.
Yeah.
But it was like how killing the heavy stuff. But it was the shaping, you know, the carry,
Yeah.
the what's not. They're doing all of that. When me aba tinang ing me omogolo who
Spelling the
was doing
span, man.
yes, who was doing the what is the supply chains for us. Oh, there's no coming back, even though we can get a different banding. And she was waiting for it, but I'll save my 10 to the FM. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I say, I'm You get what I'm saying? It doesn't affect us. Now, where do people go? Even though you had money, the saddest part about trans men is that they have to buy an injection.
Yeah.
Injection A, it's like 810 every month.
Please subscribe lapho ku-PSC channel. Nani niyazi bafethu saphezu kwayo leyo ndaba, phezu komgozi, phezu kwalezo zinto lezo. Nawe yazi sikhuluma ngezinto eziningi, sikhuluma ngezinto zabantu abadala lana bafethu, into ejulile. Mangabe kunabantwana abalalele lento lenxese kodwa siyazi ukuthi angeke izifike lento kubo yabo. Mara sasekuyo leyo ndaba leyo bafethu. Gijim, how do you feel ntwana yami? Since siqalile le ndaba leyo, when we run kanjani ntwana?
Hey bro, iyafundisa.
Iyafundisa ne?
Like there's a lot of things
nami kunezinto bengazazi uyangithola my dog.
Kahle kahle ningi abasifihlele kona. Ngithola ukuthi kuyenzakala.
Okay.
Bayabona bavala amagate.
One of the saddest part is the Trump part, boy. Since I cancel izinto abantu now siyabheka, like it's unfair, bro. It's unfair.
So manje Luthando like Queen Tando, boy. Like a couple lo rekipelo bona like lento ka Trump. On top of yonke into edile ukuthi already i-government nje system is fucked up and it's turning a blind eye to you guys.
But because before we focus on Trump, right? So the department that I was in, right, we're conducting research to provide to our own government because we wanted at least our government to hold ability 60%. Trump, I believe 40%, so that when things like this hit, then we know how we are sorted. The girls did well appeal come sebiti, banana batola into hormonal therapy, but about to samazuele, but to suspend to Vakenye Pipinaira, and then Runabatang span to. You know, kukunaisi pantlong khwane, rutolem pantlong khwane. You know, that's what we're busy with our study, and I'm hoping it's going to get somewhere. But within our government, right? For the fact that when we speak of GBV, we're not included. When we speak of our murders, we are a hate crime, and then when I did murder, when I did in. Justice for Mang. How many of us, respectfully, and I'm going to say this, and I'm going to give them a time yamahala on your podcast. Kota nice. That degree, we are grateful. Because libuile ka each and every single murder that happened to every single queer person. And then give it up for Miss South Africa to say that any person that is trans woman can take part into Miss South Africa. Releboga the recognition. Because on a lot of platforms are told into
Nina navalelwa.
For the advertisement, ha go batliwa gay person, ke tla le jwetsa nna. Ba batliwa a straight person, ba batla Jason and Sense.
Yeah.
And o tlo etsiwa ke wena, le wena o leng straight.
Abafuni straight.
It's always a gay person. In South Africa, I keep international, in South
Yeah.
Africa, ke mang trans woman that you know, o leng trans, o actang a le trans.
Damn.
In South Africa, ke mang o leng trans, o advertise ntho tsa basadi as a trans woman. Ha ayo. There are certain platforms that gives airtime for queer people, trans people, bisexual people. Mara, I don't want to burn bridges. Mara, I don't want to associate myself
Yeah.
to one of those shows. It's for the fact that there's no growth. Babua mingundu, babua kunywana, babua mukoti, babua gosipu, bontate bateng,
Yeah.
babua ntwe ena, ho khathetswi, babua di whatnot.
Yeah.
One understand?
Yeah.
They're not doing anything for the community.
For real.
You understand?
For real.
Because of kitlo mo bitsa ka lebitso. Ha ke lwane, and I'm not insulting.
Awumbitse.
Because of usomizi.
Yeah.
You understand? Umagijima o tla batla mokota.
Eish.
Anker. Nna khoza ke lebitso. Ke Quinton. Ha bona ba khotsi ba hao o tlo ntsho. O re ke tsa msimane, o runa le nywana, hana nywana libele ditswele leo, o sala ngona le pipi, o tshwetse ana le pipi knife.
Ke mathata.
You get what I'm saying? But because of that person, but at the end of the day, what are you doing for your community?
Yeah.
The people that has a platform, one understand,
okay.
what are you selling beside gossip, beside bourgeois? Because we still recognize it as barata pipi.
Yeah.
One understand, ke batho ba o kotiwa.
Yeah.
Nkemele
So when have you done the operation thing?
umpatla mo ntho o ilavang big and wa nyala. Hari o yo bona.
Yeah.
O no kana.
Re teng.
Yeah.
Ah, re tla bona teng. Re tla bona teng.
So like,
Ke a dlala makoti. Ha re tso fiti mo ano ithola.
That is like for you to get
Should-
to get to the surgery, like it was.
Let me
wasn't,
get-
like, easy.
Let me get to this part, right? I'm one of the fortunate, right? Because of when I'm saying being trans is still political in South Africa.
Yeah.
How would you your top surgery if you're a trans man? A trans man is a person limited as a lesbian.
Yeah.
But because of sa nalinsa gore ke ntate, ne ke motho o tshwanang le bo ke Jima Mfana. Wa itsamaisa o isa kae kota yaka ku shebile la mbona o bule ba ibone itlise ke itshware ba ibone itlise ke itshware ba ibone
I bought a bowl, quarter and cheese.
kota and chill ke lebetse address bana ba go yes ne ke tlo le jwetsa
Nobody's zone forward, improve.
ya ne ke tlo I testa ke batla o testa ke le jwetsa gore ke watch kapa what le tleng le tlo itsane and le itsane tlo mbona. All right.
It's about kind of
because the time doing it, the peer thing is still new. And it's something
Did you see it?
boy?
You are that girl. That girl.
Phakathi inside.
Okay. So in South Africa, in Tshephlokne, if a person is ready, you go to Kobara. Kobara, there's a department that is called neurology. Neurology is for bontate, but lona. Would you allow somebody to put finger on your ass? Right. Would you allow? Nespate asenzani asingeni, right? But if they have to test coronary cancer yamarete, if they have to test that,
Munywana.
Munwan,
Oh.
a finger.
Oh.
So, because when they were testing me, and about wait, I'm taking love neurology. I get one of the tamarete I meet. They send it to me. I'm actually, because I still remember I'm sitting outside. No, Baba was a kai.
Yeah.
kungena uboy wasejail
Yeah.
akaskrimanga kanje ubaba I think maybe isibunu mesibhlungu
Yeah.
nemi bamtholi bamravazile izolo because mina sengiyashake ukuthi hayi man ngisitshela ukuthi maybe badonsa ikidney or badonsa what akakubuzi usisi ufaka i-KY gel udokotela ufaka i-KY gel inside akutshela ukuthi no mama ngesilungu athi rest comfortably lala ngeside angifuni ngcolisa athi lala ngeside wena mawusa-adjusta ulala ngeside uza ngumbonzi and they don't miss the sports bayishaya ngqo endaweni baze ngami ngithi I don't know, it's fine. I didn't douche. I don't know, it's fine. We are used to this. We should keep it up. You're gone. And there's a reason why in neurology, gugwala. And it's not like gugwala amakehla kuphela. Our generation is there. Younger people are there. But for the fact that blame of government, Department of Health and Mamel. Nobody prepares you for it.
Yeah.
You are a straight man, you are a cisgender man, your masculinity ibalulekile kuwena.
For real.
Uyaqonda. Kunale this guy when the podcast uphathe umbrella and like makabona umuntu like uyathengisa or wenzani. I'm not sure if you guys have seen that guy. Ne uphethe umbrella, uyabona umbrella ukuthi chap kanjani. Makafika kumuntu umhlaba ngayo isibunu and you see those Nigerian guy baja ahlanya umnika incindi, you know. That's how it's important for a man when it comes to the masculinity, more especially bisexual man. You wearing a pink t-shirt. If I can call my guy now, getting a pink t-shirt what iphaqa lam ga e-store ukutshela kahle no, I'm not going to wear this. You understand? That's how they want to prove their masculinity. I don't know if I make sense. Because of wena ujola nam, the community, mangifike store, magathi mkhotsi huna. Like yesterday I said to this girl, come siphi ukuthi I'm not your friend. I hate a person who's makamba kuwena athi mngani wami, my friend. Show me. I hate that. I'm not your friend.
Yeah.
Sithothi sithatha umngane into enkulu, it's a serious name.
Yeah.
And ngoku akakhulumi nami sifuna ukuphuma ufuna ukubheka the plastic guy and it's like no Chomi, I need to check because my man has a bigger ass than me, but he's a strong masculine man. And akunandoda who want to be ripped off when it comes to their masculinity. I don't know if I make sense. So when you go to that place, they don't prepare you. Bazokuthola be comfortable. Yena sakaread nge-KY gel. You haven't applied it. Since I've grown up, nah. Kekela mnandi. But uyilahlela usisi, mara ngizithole ngithi you know, I was not ready for it. And ukhumbule ukuthi uJabu makangena unalento ukuthi ndeza prepare. When you're coming, I've lubricated myself. They make sure ukuthi now lubricated. Mara mangena ngifuna ungena ngathi usethavenini kamama uyangichaza. You understand? Dinalento ukuthi emamele because it's so grab. Ndimamele yizwe. You understand? Yizwe. You get what I'm saying? No mchiso wakho uzokutshela ukuthi awufani nokasibongile. You understand? Uzoza umuntu masakhamile athi kuyajisa ufuna ukuphuma ukuthi kuyajisa. Mhlawumbe uchise. Nona khana ukeli guy. Asinywana yini? Ile rago. But besides that, let us get to the point mpahla ngkhwane. I did my first bottom surgery, which your first bottom surgery is occipectomy. So when immediately babona on my Facebook, babona on my Instagram, babona on my or I'm a transgender woman. Bakena bontate bar, do you have a vagina? You know, and without knowing it's a transition. Every single person has a different stage.
Overnight too.
You understand? It doesn't happen overnight. So when you do your first bottom surgery, basusa kuphela amaqanda. The reason basusa amaqanda, the eggs, right?
Produce.
That's what I wanted to speak about in neurology. No, when I say this, I'm not like I'm smelling it.
Ah, khulekana manyikho
Mara ngifuna ukuyichaza. You understand? Yes. Basusa izi-eggs, basusa amaqanda kuphela. Mabasusa amaqanda bayenzelani? You're no longer producing a sperm, right? Now mase ngichama. Ngeke ubani igama lakho?
Sibongile ushili.
Ngichama umchamo ofana nokaSibongile. It's no longer like yours, or sour, or pink, or green, or thick, or so watery, so kwamanzi, right? Bawususelani ukuthi ngaveli like boy, if you have a very like very hairy porter, funa ukuthi yeah, go smooth.
You serious Jabu is gonna shoot a nigga. You can see Jabu is gonna shoot a nigga, bro. Like he was serious here, baba.
So I'm respecting him now, man, because I'm respect you, man.
Oh, but Mozokon. If you jump so go yes. So bayenzelani so that my breasts
yeah.
Oh, so bayenzela angawavezi
Wavezi.
right ngiyahlonipha ne because it's a podcast. Thank you camera. So bayenzelani ukuthi my babies to grow faster, right? The shape we have on angle like the shape, like the shape, right?
16 years.
Uri,
My one hand more the camera.
yes.
Kupu emehanya.
If you like
Yeah, like a shake. Like a yo. Like a cottage. Like a who.
Kitchen is on fire, bro. It's on the scanielo.
So it helps with like now is the funding you can see, right? I don't have to worry about me transitioning.
Yeah.
Because now my body works as a woman.
Yeah.
I only have the estrogen because the testosterone has been taken out. It's not easy, bro. Like but we will keep her. The first one, they will show you. Go to this is the egg. First one we are done. Because you are alive. Now send the love. We have a banner. You know? And the third thing that hurts me about doing that is because of thank you, that's so nice. Like finally he's just me. Like see Paul Shaya. See Paul.
I'm so shower.
Do you want to do it? Mara Mongba Vile. What's again? We are corner. Okay. Who can? Yeah? It's a tattoo. Yeah. 9. Here we are.
Oh, is this one? You can eat sponge. Oh, like a one. Like a sponge.
On the what?
Oh, it must come like.
On the ibel nyanya. On the nyanya. Yeah, ngiza lapho. Ushilo wathi uyayithanda. Ushada nobani?
Different level.
You can't know that one because you already know. I'm so nice. No, that one doesn't work. Actually. But my last stick. But anyways.
Hey,
no,
man,
the
you
reason.
said too many things at once.
I know. You need to catch up.
Because manje ngiyakuzwa mara ngikho ukuthi if ngikuzwe kahle
Why not take the kitchen?
Young one way.
I just feel like the Bluetooth device is connected.
Hello. No, andimboni. But no to nibamnyama. And then niboni lusipho mnyama. Yeah, honestly yonke into emnyama it works with me. Now again ngiyathemba ngoba umhlophe Sibongile. Uhleli phambi kwento ezimnyama. Or balance ngento emhlophe. So okay. Yeah. So ndikhiphile amaqanda, right? And bazokubhalela transfer.
Yeah.
Your transfer you have to go to CBIGO. DBIGO has to finalize. I will tell you this, as transgender woman, before you even take out your eggs, right? Sinalente sebiza guti is sorry girls. Mara khona umuntu ogayikhuluma on someone out the show. Right? Sibiza ukuthi binder.
Yeah.
Right? Ibinder ngithi bamba wonke ama-tools. So that's when ama ngibona egroovini ngifake mini skirt or ngifake idress lengibambayo usho ukuthi gelu flat gelu nekhekhe amanet we call it yes we call it binders ne uyayilava izokubulala because ezinye zine bacteria wabo and then nayiphathe ngithanda kakhulu I'm sorry guys nje apha
Yaqala indaba yembiya. Kitchen. Yabona manje kunya kanjani nje. Simnika you pray with man. You pray with man. They're gonna kunya it dog like.
I'm kidding.
Nami kizobuya lihlukene two piece.
So I'm kidding. So makeup yami y'all. So yo.
Yeah.
Calm down.
Government uyangifeyila. Uyangifeyila ugovernment. Right.
It's my first time.
Yeah, next
It's my
time.
first time and I
Come to
enjoy
the show.
And I respect you guys for it.
Umuntu okanje like him. Like kanje.
Yeah,
It's my first
it's
time
cool,
and I enjoy like hey.
Yabo usasho lapho. Angasetshenziswa kade emacamereni phela. Yabona seyabheka necamera kanje.
And I respect you for you guys for it. Right?
Lesafika endabeni
Yeah,
spa.
besaselapho.
So
I want the sponge.
government does fail. They did their job and I'm really respectful of it. I was there last week Friday.
It's the big.
No, in Barra.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that lady. It's a lady, actually, because I didn't want to be done by the man.
Why?
Because I'm not going to be comfortable
Yeah,
with
no,
it as a man. Because even, like, if I date a guy, I'm not even comfortable for you to touch me and what's or not as a guy, right? So, ngikhule ekhaya, kungena umuntu wesifazane.
Mageza and all of that.
Mageza. And I was not going to be comfortable to be treated
Yeah.
ngomuntu wesilisa because kumele babambe.
Obvious,
How
it's mental
healthy are you down there and what's or not? Hi, Sposh. Sposh is coming. Woza. You know?
Udlulisa kuphela
Thank
usibosha
you,
kafuthi.
So, and then, Baba Keeper, you're alive, you're awake. They just covered the spot and then they kill the poor rods. And once she's done with the first one. So, what I was saying is when you're wearing a binder, usala maqanda, right? If I'm wearing a binder, we actually do it for ourselves. Ngisebenzisa i-jean, whether eyakho or eyakho, erikabanbani. I use that jean, ngifake isokisi, and then it's either I'll decide if you can ndifuna ndijonge tata because you're busy nodding your head and you know angazi ukuthi uthi hi no or yes iyavumeka. If you can see here, I've got a bit of a lining.
Oh, yeah.
So mine is always here. So you can also do it as a EG string.
Yeah.
Right? That's your binder. Yeah, then you fake stockings. So it's either you put it up to here
Okay.
or we beg up to here.
left.
So I was comfortable putting it down here. And most of you put her here. Like iqanda lihlala la. Uyezwa ukuthi yo
Namhlanje usigwize.
taxi yahamba. And ngathi ngatshela udriver ukuthi wait up. You guys understand better because nineqanda. So imagine you egg moving. Are we understanding guys? Ngiyakubona mawuthi mara uyizwa kahle.
Indawo ethi
Imagine iqanda lakho hlala la.
awubheke Nkosi yami.
Imagine iqanda. Have you heard iqanda lakho lika la move?
Ebolweni yeah
Lika la move. Bake bakushaya. La move.
ngezwe ngathi hey.
There's a part here. Ngathi ya move or iyayehla or bayidonsa
Ubinder
on
wonke
this
lo
part.
kwenza.
Mamela mawela uyakhona ngathi ungabhizi wenza so. Mayithi mazothola ihump ithi gugu. Nawe ngathi ungathola ukuthi ehlisa ihump. You know?
Amaqanda yana.
That's what works. So Mozo keeper. That's what happened.
Already, yeah.
So the doctor was preparing my mind. Mangqala ngithi she'll be like, you are strong. I've seen drama. I've seen worse.
Yeah.
You are strong. Because I can feel the pull out of here. So she will explain ukuthi when you are young, mawukhula, amaqanda akho hlala la. Immediate mawabhiza yehla. Mawafika la enzansi ukuthi azohlala la. that's when you get your wet dreams. So uqala uphupha ngalento ekuchamisayo.
Yeah.
So wayehla azohlala esakeni, you know. So that's why mawufila ngiwakhatha. And bakhatha ngento engathi iyashisa. You understand? Because they're attached to you.
Manje uyayizwa
So,
le pain le?
yeah?
Uyayizwa le pain?
Uyayizwa because at the same time they're trying to stop you to bleed. So makaloku ayikhatha ngomshini lo umlilo. Yabona lento le abashisela ngayo. Le shisela insimbo iqanda. Ngiyalibona isende. Iqanda. Cabanga babasusa iqanda lakho emzimbeni wakho attached to you. And bayashisela. Yabona into yokushisela. Angithi balokhu bashisela iwindow.
No, Luthana.
Bayenzela ukuthi lingabreak. So nalapho bayenzela ukuthi ungableed. So makaloku ashisa baloku
Bayasula nga.
kuyashisa kuyawoma because uyayikhatha iyasha iyabamba
Yeah.
uyayikhatha iyasha iyabamba. So that's what they do. Baqeda ukubamba, the first one is out. Uyakubonisa ukuthi nali
Linjani?
li green alifana lelo dlayo lelo lifana li green li rough li raw lelo selidlayo line yolk
Yeah.
lela li
Alila sonor
green
green.
umuntu. It's a human being. This is the shape a bean. Doesn't even shape like an egg.
Yeah.
Abantwana bakho they shape like a bean. So when you just have to produce, you understand? Yeah, that's what happened. And then we'll keep away too. But they were gonna remind you. So the saddest part about it, I am relieved because in keeper into I think, but in the trans men who are born women,
Yeah.
mabafuna ukwenza top surgery, basusa lento yenza abafazane so that they can be male. But have to ukuthi baye ngale babasusa nabantu bahlala nabantu abama-breast cancer.
Yeah.
We as women like that because mina ngiyenza kinje wena udumbe ngaphansi unama-symptoms we-cancer omunye une-cancer omunye uze-food therapy nidumbe ngaphansi. I am sitting with you guys and kubuhlungu manje because of for me it's a relief. Wena ufonela umfazi wakho uyamtshela ukuthi we just got married. I remember vividly because like we just got married last year sinomntana ona 6 months and I'm so worried that I'm not going to give you other children. Loya una 18 akakaboni life akakaboni anything, he will never have children. Mina I'm here. For me it's a relief. I want to celebrate even though I'm scared to go there because angazi kuzoyenzakala in the pain. But nginalento ukuthi kuku yami sesosondele. I am close to getting my vagina. I can't celebrate. Now ngikhaliswa izinto engizizwa ngikhuluma in the phone. And mina kunzima ukutshela ubebe ukuthi baby ngiyabonga ukuthi ngikhaphile. Oh kuku yakho yeza. You're gonna hit emva ude phambili. Uyakunderstand? Uzongitshela imenu for the day. Ukuthi you want it at the back or you want it at the front or you're gonna have it both. So that's the reason why I was crying because of I can't. Ngibameli into ezenze sad.
Mayifika.
Ukwenza njani?
Uzoyidladlaza.
Yeah?
Ufika kwayo.
Mamela uthi ngizophumula nasemva. Ndifuna ukuyi-eat one way, going for what? Ndifuna ukuyibona ithi tata. Kari mamela ngizoyitha va.
Manje
Beside that asikho lapho.
mabayifaka
It takes 19 to 20 hours in surgery.
Yeah.
They're using your own penis.
So
they use
that-
it vice versa.
Yeah.
So that's the
They
reason
find
why
out
you need to have a long foreskin. Foreskin yakho kumele ibe long because it's going to be used as a clit. So the umsipha lo phakathi nela bayivula njengebanana. Right? And then they're going to chop the part of banana, the umsipha lo inside of your penis that you hear my really hard. Batla uja yes. Bazo cut half. Mabai cut half. It's gonna be like a clit ga sbosh. Won't understand ukuthi sale khona lapho. And then you're going to use the other part. Then here on the middle, ungayishuthi lapho. Mara ngibonisa abantu engihlele nabo. On this part here that you tweak, on the center of it, that's where they're gonna open a hole. Bazovula a hole. You understand now?
Maye le hole le angeke ivaleke ngephutha.
What you do is you kunento ebiza ukuthi you dilate.
Yeah.
So you're gonna dilate for almost like 8 months. So when you dilate, angithi ngoba uyenze surgery, mawenze surgery uyadumba.
Yeah.
Udumba ngaphansi. So mawudumbe ngaphansi, uyarasa.
Yeah.
Kune hole abayicreateile. That hole bakunikeza a dildo encane, a medium until bakunikeze normal to a certain penis yomuntu. But bayazi ukuthi amavenda amaswati amazulu ayenalingana ngemenu bazonginikeza to a certain part ukuthi every single 30 minutes I dilate ngifaka le dildo ngizozidla mina before ngizodliwa. Then after 6 to 8 months sizobe seyipholile imbobo ivulekile then imbobo masivulekile bazothi biza ujaba ayenze umsebenzi wakhe depending ku-length ukuthi ungumvenda you are a white person uye Indian ungumswati ungumdebele lo ojola naye uye ozoyenza the proper menu ukuthi ilengane uyozokubreaka to the right part uyangu-understand kuzoba uyena
sazoba yitshitshi
kuzobe uyitshitshi phela angini manje bayenzela ukuthi ingabaleki like you see I did this piercing listen I did this piercing recently right
yeah
so this piercing all the time the inside part it's like in
Soft.
ngiyabona no soft dad
Ihlale cool.
yabona octopus sense of the octopus it always swallow this yeah it swallow all the time so you are swollen so this thing will always bazokutshela ukuthi always pull it up ukuthi ingavaleki so same applies le pantang khwane yonywana yovijana yokuku so you always have to put on a dildo kubhlungu kunjani uthi ubata kuku ngithi mele ufake le dildo le ukuthi ikuvule kuphole kungavalekanga so that when mase kupholile so ku right
uhlala ubhebhekile
after 8 months uhlala ubhebhekile but remember the side of the gender that you'll be dating umvenda or in khona if udate umuntu ozoze ngento engaka mele avule ngento engaka le bakunikeza yona belungu lesebenza ngayo iclinic yento is not enough
Sure.
bazokunikeza maybe something like this then you need to open yourself properly because this is the guy that you dated
Yeah.
so if ungaka izokustretcha to that level but obviously the vagina and the anal is always like this so regardless engenayo it always grab ihlala ishisa isibuni siyashisa guys nambona umntana afa emakekeni isibuni siyashisa because it was created for that so ngapha is a different scenario
Nice.
so makakuvulile obviously kuzovaleka and also not bad yeah so kuzoba kubaba ukuthi ufuna ubheke or front or bottom or
We have a
nature
question from the floor ne, regarding what you were just saying nje yonke operation ukuthi like mabakhatha use your own skin so manje the question is do you have to be circumcised or not in order for you to
no you can't like if you're circumcised it's going to be a hassle it's a problem because of the clit and ukhumbule ukuthi mina once butterfly sibongile do you know phela mina ngine choice she was born with it akana choice but mina I want butterfly lips ndine choice if I can do it in Thailand yes if I go to a good doctor that can do it uzondipha is a butterfly lips this is ukhona ukuswallow so mina ndithanda is a butterfly lips right yeah but besides that this was not the whole point the whole point bana bakho the whole point was like I feel like we are failed because when I go to Stibiko I told them because I've got a referral from Bara a referral at Bara says that they need to finalize their vaginal bottom surgery the vaginal plasty and they told me "Khore, we have a backlog our backlog start from
what
COVID. When was COVID? 5 years, 6 years ago?
Yeah.
5 years to 6 years. 5 years later on.
Yeah.
And then so I met up with the doctor.
yeah
Ne registrar, got the doctor. The doctor's like, oh, you got the right documents. All right, go righty. Then zok finalize assess. Ne? If you're being assessed, you're assessed by the doctor that deals with hormonal parts and what's not. We're not doctor that deals with top surgeries for bottom. Then huna lo owenza amapipi namakuku for everyone, right? Yes, you babona bak-assistayo. Wabona nyakusaba uzoyidla ngameno ingakayenzi. Esadumbile. Uyabona? Mabaqeda kanjalo. Then they're gonna assist bazoyenza mababona ukuthi you're medical fit, right? Your body's fit, your whatnot is right and everything. Then they're gonna do that.
So-
and then ngivume.
yeah
Mangiceda ukuvuma and then bangise ukuthi like number 6 and mangise 7 8 manje number 6 lo wase 8 angitshela indaba ukuthi no we have a backlog from COVID
Yeah.
so we can't be able to do it we can't even put you on the register and I'm like how many surgeries have you done how like in a year how many surgeries are being done out of 1 or 2
Oh.
right? And I'm like, how many have you done? Well, I don't know. The team gives me, and then I'm call, and I'm like, you've been calling people. How many people have you called?
Yeah.
I don't know. Why can't you? can't you not record? I would recognize the referral from Bar.
Yeah.
We do recognize it, but we normally see the people that have been seen by our team. Our team, when you're telling me, mele ngibone i-psychologist yakho, ulo doctor dila ngama-hormones, ulo dila ngokususa amabele, nalo dila ngokususa ipipi or in general, or a penis.
It's crazy.
No, it's not that. We see anybody. All right, it's sharp, go grain. How many surgeries that have been done? And us. So you can't put me on a list. No, send me an email to motivate to see a prof.
Yeah.
My question was, why must I see a prof now?
Yeah.
Did you go and find office in the prof? It's me, I can I. They're gonna have a meeting and I'm here. Allow me to go in there. On the Vizela security. I'ma send you an email. That email you're gonna forward to prof. Prof is gonna send it to the team. Why must I do that? Because in South Africa, I've got a right to healthcare system.
Yeah.
I've got a right. Ukuthi ngithole whatever that I need when it comes to healthcare. You can't refuse me ukuthi ngithole a healthcare. Njani? Have you told Ibarra that you guys nine backlog ye COVID? Bandixelela ukuthi no, abakabaxeleli. Ndithi how is it that Barra doesn't know ukuthi they're sending people and you guys cannot contract? Because ndihlele nento ndingayidingi. Ndifuna 19 or 20 hours of your time in surgery. Ndifika ukuyam then ndiphumile again. I will deal with my breast and the rest of the day. Mfenywana, mfespantu, mfemphanglangkhwana, mfekuku. Fela ntwewu.
Lapisane process sa
Mfe dijo tsa basimane a ikgethela o rubata back or rubata front or rubata both. Fela ntwewu.
It's that time bafethu, it's that time sesayivala sesayikhahlela. Sibonga kakhulu.
This one was different.
My first time talking about pussy and I feel so good, bro. Like I don't wanna lie.
This was a different one.
I don't wanna lie. I don't care who watches this, but yeah, well, that is live, bro. Amara nani nazi bafethu. This is Kota and Chill bafethu. Nani nazi support and lapo. Please subscribe lapo ku PSC channel. Nani nazi uzonda bamthanda indoda engahleki namadoda ehleka nabafazi ngoba yazothola ubumnandi. Uskiriport umafana inhliziyo ngeqiniso bahubhe bayongena ngaphansi kwedwaba zonyoko nakho ke ziyakhala abafana abamngamba nomgijimani. Sesayibhala sithi sonibona next time to the next episode. We love you all. Siswami. Nganywa kabi yo energy.
Thank you.
Energy shapa kamo.
Thank you so much.
Dango.
Like, comment, share,
PSC channel. On PSC channel. Yeah, bro.
Potential.
We were talking
Okay,
about
bro. Dango.